In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom invoice in Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to install Shopify's order printer app, tweak the existing invoice layout, and even build a completely custom invoice from scratch if you'd like. Let's start inside your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the drop-down options, choose Apps. In the search field that appears, type Order Printer and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Shopify App Store in a new view, showing apps related to that search. From the search results, look for the official Shopify Order Printer app. Once you've found it, click into it and go ahead and install the app. Follow all of the installation prompts that appear. These are usually just confirmations about permissions and access. When the installation is complete, Shopify will automatically open the Order Printer dashboard for you. And here you'll see a list of your existing orders that you can work with. Now, to customize your invoice, look over to the left-hand panel inside the Order Printer app. Find the section labeled Order Printer, and underneath that, click on Templates. This is where all the available document templates live. You'll typically see templates for things like your pick list, packing slip, and invoice. If you simply want to tweak the existing invoice template instead of building something new, click on the invoice template. This will open the HTML and liquid code view of that invoice. In this code editor, you can adjust a variety of elements. For example, you might change text alignment to left, center, or right, adjust margins to create more space, or update how dates are displayed so they match your preferred format. Take your time scrolling through the code to find the parts you want to change. You can also insert new code blocks if you need extra sections, like a custom message or additional policy notes. Once you've made your edits, go to the top of the screen near the search bar and click Save. Wait a moment for Shopify to process your changes, then click the Preview tab to see how your updated invoice will look. If you prefer to start from a completely blank slate, go back to the left panel and click Templates again. In the top right corner, click Create Template, and from the drop-down, choose Blank Template. This gives you an empty canvas where you can build your invoice layout from scratch. Give your new template a clear name, something like Custom Invoice, so you can easily recognize it later. Then begin adding your HTML and liquid code to define the structure, styling, and content of the invoice. When you're happy with your design, click Save at the top, then open the Preview tab. Wait for your custom invoice to load so you can review exactly how it will appear when you print or send it.